Hello, welcome to How to Draw Celtic Patterns. I'm your host, Jason Bellchamber. And in this next segment, I'm going to be taking the thinnest black pigment liner I have. I've got a .01 Statler pigment liner. And we're going to be drawing the interlace from the Labro Stora Hammars stone. So, I'm going to start in the center and decide that this way, right here, will be the first to go over. Now you want to be sure to alternate going over and under so that your pattern looks continuous. I'm also going to decide that my spine of my design, the ribbon, is going to be about this thickness. So come up to here, and then I stop at the next intersection. Follow the spine carefully. We know that this one goes under and then over, so over and follow the curve. Now, this one here, because I like to draw right-handed, I'm going to follow this, and I know that's going to go over and then under here. Over and then under. Okay, so then I'll continue this one here and here. This one goes over. Okay, so we're starting to see it. And over. Try not to make your ribbon go over the border that you've made. So I know this one goes under, so at the next intersection it's going to go over. This one goes over, so this one is going to go under when it gets here, so it's easier to draw the ribbon of the interlace over top. So we know this one goes under and over. Now we're going to be using our thicker liner to go over this again and fill in the negative space. So just have fun with this. So this one goes under, over, over, and then stop at the next one here. When you look at your other corners, try and make them as identical as possible. So we know that this one's going to go under and over. This one goes over. I try and draw the interlace with the even thickness. Even though I'm not going exactly over the spine, I want to make sure it follows something that looks congruent. It's just more pleasing to the eye, like I said. Okay, so this one. This goes over and stops there. It doesn't always have to be a square. You can make these rectangles as long as you've got the cross grid and the halves. You can make the thickness of the interlace change as well. Also, you may wish to rotate your page as you're drawing a curve, but just do it slowly, because that way you don't make any mistakes when you're going over and under. And remember, the artisans that were doing this had all the time that they wished for.